Alright guys, well today we're talking about plastic or trim restoration, and a lot of people have questions about how do I do it, what product to use, and they're using interior dressings or molding. These are dressings. They're going to make it shiny. They might make it look better for a week or 2 weeks or until your next wash, but they're gonna fall off. Okay, so what you need to use is Solution Finish. This is a carbon-based product. It restores the black inside the plastic. It's not a dye, and it's very simple to use. You need to use a couple towels, you need some gloves, you need an applicator, you need an all-purpose cleaner, excuse me, you need an all-purpose cleaner to clean the area. Once you've cleaned the area, you need to go over it with some type of paint prep, an IPA solution, something like that. And then you need your Solution Finish to apply. And I'll show you how to do it. I have somebody that was needing it done, and I kind of just videotaped a little bit of them doing it. This is someone that's never done it before, and let's see how they did. All right, here's a rear plastic panel that's on top of the bumper, as well as a front plastic cowl that goes over the hood. It's kind of a water blocking plastic piece that keeps water from going into your engine. They're both faded from the sun, damaged, and they need to be restored. Start off with using an APC or degreaser, spray it all over the plastic, and then scrub the plastic clean with this. You need to scrub it as much as possible. You don't want any black coming off onto the towel, so take your time. You may have to do this 2 or 3 times. You need all dressings that you have previously been using off of this. It needs to be clean, squeaky clean. Alright, step number 2, grab your IPA solution, your paint prep product, and go over the panels one more time, making sure they are completely clean of all residues. You don't want to see any more black on the towel. You need the Solutions Finish to bond to the plastic. This is very simple to do, guys. I am not doing this. I am showing someone how to do it. I'm talking them through it, and it is that simple. Clean, 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 prep, clean, clean, prep. That's all you gotta do. Good prep work. I can't stress this enough. The objective is to clean these until your towels are not picking up any dirt on them. Now you're going to grab your applicator, you're going to put some Solution Finish onto there. Try not to spill it. It's easier if you just put it on top of the cap and tilt the bottle over. And then you're just going to wipe it into all the plastics. Don't worry about getting it on the window or on the paint. It will wipe off easily. It's not going to stain the paint or your glass. Just wipe it on as best as possible. the windshield wipers are made of metal, they have some type of coating on them, and this will work on your windshield wipers as well. Just go ahead and apply just like if they were on the plastic. And while we let the front plastics and windshield wipers sit with the solution finish on them so it can bond and get into the pores of the plastics, we're going to do the rear panel, and then we'll let it sit and bond as well. A couple minutes is all you need. After a few minutes, you're just going to take another clean towel and wipe off the solution finish, wipe any excess, wipe the window, wipe the paint where you smeared it. Just get everything nice and clean, and it's going to come out perfect. And once you've removed all of it, you are done. There's a 50-50 before and after. Excellent product. Look at the restoration on that. If you like, you can put a sealant over this to help keep it longer. You can just apply some dressings, or you can leave it alone. Alright guys, that's going to bring us to the end of the video. I hope you liked it. If you learned something, hit the subscribe and like. Leave any comments or questions you have below. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.